Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to spot the best rated sellers on Temu. Let's get started. When browsing items, tap on products to open its full page. Scroll down to the ratings and reviews section. Then look for the average star ratings, verified purchase, and customer's photo. Then use filters at the top or side of search page. Choose top rated or sort by best selling to surface high performing listing. These often come from reliable sellers with consistently positive feedback. Temu sometimes shows bestseller or popular tags on trusted products indicating high order value, positive customers experience, and reliable fulfillment. If you're new, stick with items rated 4.5 stars and above with at least 2 plus views for more reliable quality. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.